Andy, if they're protected from the wind and the rain at 3 weeks old, I don't know, that sudden cold is going to be so different. They're not going to be ready. I wouldn't put them outside if you could keep them inside for another week. Because that severe dropping temperature, even the adults are going to have problems with it. Well, they may be okay. I don't remember what your back porch looks like. If it's a covered back porch or open. Because at 3 weeks, he'll have most of their feathers. Yes, yeah, that's what you have to do, is you have to be outside. That's why I go outside 5 times a day for anywhere from 10 minutes to a half an hour.